Report the Eastfield Mall COVID-19 testing site seeing an increase in the numbers of people lining up to get tested once again. It comes as 2 Springfield city leaders have tested positive for the virus and as cases continue to trend upwards in the city over the last 8 weeks. Western Mass News reporter Briseida Landaverde joins us live in Springfield with the latest on that. Briseida.
Yeah, Chris, well, just last week, the city saw an almost increase of 200 positive COVID-19 cases. Now, city health officials are once again urging residents to please mask up when in large crowds.
Over the last 8 weeks, we have seen a substantial increase.
Over the last 2 months, the city of Springfield has seen a rise in positive COVID-19 cases. Just in the last month, the cases tripling in numbers. On your screen is a breakdown of positive COVID-19 cases over the last 4 weeks. Cases as of last week standing at 713, an increase of 191 cases from the previous week when cases totaled 522. Going back further, at the end of April, cases stood at 350 and in mid-April at 250.
These cases are concerning. Our hospitalizations are increasing and we're seeing our youth numbers increasing.
Springfield Health and Human Services Commissioner Helen Colton-Harris says they have seen a 44.3% increase among those 30 and under. And most concerning, she says, is an almost 30% increase among those 51 and older.
And again, the concern is that that is the age group that will potentially wind up being hospitalized because they are more at risk.
Meanwhile, we asked Colton-Harris if there is concern the city could see an even greater spike in cases following this past weekend's world's largest pancake breakfast.
All of the things that we celebrate at this time of the year could be an increased risk.
She is encouraging anyone who is gathering for prom, graduation, or any other large events to mask up. Meanwhile, the American Medical Response COVID-19 testing site at the Eastfield Mall also seeing the effects of more people contracting the virus. Operations manager Patrick Leonardo tells Western Mass News over the last 4 to 6 weeks, more cars have been lining up at the site.
We've gone from a couple hundred tests a day to over 500 tests.
Leonardo says many people are coming to the site trying to rule out if their symptoms are associated with allergies, the flu, or COVID-19.
A lot of people don't really know what is happening right now, so they want to get tested, and then they think it's allergies, and then they test positive for COVID.
And Leonardo says the COVID-19 testing site has been extended to stay open through August. For now, reporting live in Springfield, Briseida Landaverde, Western Mass News.
Briseida,